one of the questions that I've gotten a few times in the past is, a hailstorm comes through and you look outside and maybe the hail's this big or maybe it's that big. How big does the hail have to be to call a roofing company or call your friend who's in roofing without wasting people's time?
Sure.
'Cause I think that's a lot of our homeowners' hesitations. We don't want to call somebody out just because a little bit of hail hit.
Sure, and that really all is dependent upon the age of the roof, the type, because there's manufacturer's defects that play into that as well. So, if there's blistering, there's not enough ventilation on the roof. There's so many different aspects that I could go into, but I would say that if you get any size of hail that's above a quarter, I would definitely give your roofing company a call. You don't want to. It's always better safe than sorry. You can have somebody come out for free. Obviously, any good roofing company is going to come out for free. They're not going to charge you to come out. If they do, and they say they do, tell them to take a walk, because that's not fair to the consumer. But I would say that, obviously quarter or bigger, I would say that's good. But it's determined based on if you got any bigger hailstorms in the past that you possibly didn't get looked at within that year period. But if you got a hailstorm within that year period after you got the bigger one, definitely have it come looked at if you didn't before.
So I know the weather guy I follow here in Oklahoma is Damon Lane, and so he's always using different sports analogies for the hail. So I kind of gather probably anything ping pong ball size or higher.
Oh sure, quarter. I would.
Yeah.
So if you're ping pong ball, golf ball or bigger, because even an impact resistant roof, most are only impact resistant up to golf ball size hail.
Okay.
Which in Oklahoma we get golf ball size hail every single year.
Okay.
And so in considering that, you obviously need to make sure that if you do have an impact resistant roof and it's quarter size hail, you're probably okay, depending on the age of the roof. If it's 6 years or older, 5 years or older, still get it looked at, because it does depend on the volume and the density of the hail as well. Because different hail is more dense than others as far as how hard it is.
Okay.
And so you're going to get different varying results.